put these two fingers, my index finger, my pointer finger, and my ring finger under the yarn. I wrap the yarn around and under and over my thumb and slide the knitting needle underneath that loop, and then just drop it off and tighten it. Around my thumb, under the loop, drop it off and tighten it. Around my thumb, under the loop, drop it off and tighten it. And I just keep doing that. Now, if it's more comfortable for you to wrap the opposite direction, you certainly can. The important thing is that you're consistent throughout the entire thing. So if you want to wrap it this way, if that's more comfortable for you, you can do that. Just make sure whichever direction you wrap is the same direction every time, okay? Doesn't really matter, whatever's more comfortable for you. I personally like going under and over. It's just the way that's comfortable for me. See, and you kind of can get the click going on with it too. Whatever works for you. And then you have, here we'll do a few more. Look at that. Oop, look at that. You have a little set of stitches cast on that you're ready to knit, and you can see here where I paused, I made a little extra bit there. That will look funky when I start knitting it, okay? So it's kind of important to be consistent, and it's one of the reasons why I don't love this particular cast on, but it is great for somebody just learning.